Hi guys, what I'm going to do is a quick unboxing of the Peppa Pig and Peppa Pig family, which we said is going to be joining Grandma Mom and Pop Pop Pig's community. This is going to be Pop Pop Pig's cousin, Daddy Pig, Peppa Pig, George, Mommy Pig. So let me go ahead and open it. It's a really nice box, and especially there's a tab here. There's a tab that's sticking out, so it's going to make it easy to open. By the way, I got this off with Amazon in an Amazon haul video, which was recently posted. I'll leave a link up here at the top so you can click that so you can see all the other good things that we bought from Amazon, and we'll be adding to the Grandma Moms community. So first up is going to be Daddy Pig. Here he is. He's so cute. He's got his glasses and his cute little rosy cheeks and that bowl full of jelly. He's really cute. Let's get up close so you can see him. Hi, Daddy Pig. His shoes. His cute little beard and his ears. Hi, Daddy Pig. And he can stand on his own. Next up, you got little Miss Peppa. Hi, Peppa Pig. Welcome to the community. She's got her cute little red dress. Let me bring it closer so you can see. Her eyes and her rosy cheeks. Her sweet little smile. Her cute little red dress and her shoes. Peppa Pig. And a cute little curly tail on the back. And she can stand right next to her daddy. And there's George. Hi, George. Welcome to the family. Come on in closer so we can see you. Hi, George. You've got your cute little rosy cheeks, your eyes, ears, your little cute tummy. How cute is that tummy? Hey, George, with your shoes and your curly tail. Hi, George. Hi, guys. You stay right next to your sister. And then we've got Mommy Pig. Hi, Mommy Pig. Welcome. She's got her cute little orange dress, again with the rosy cheeks, the nose, nice hard plastic, excellent for play. Her shoes, looks like she can even sit down. Wow. That's going to make it so much more mobile when we add her to the community. You can stand right next to your family. Guys, this is Daddy Pig, Peppa Pig, George, and Mommy Pig. And they needed to come out of the box so that they can meet Pop Pop Pig, because it's almost time for his birthday party. And we'll be doing his birthday party and posting it as soon as we reach 100 subscribers. We are 1 subscriber away. So we'll see you soon. Bye, guys. See you next time.